We are pleased to show you the 2018 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, 8 speakers, tinted glass, leather seats, low tire pressure warning, compass. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.